This is going to be 2015 Leaf Trinity football 2-box break, MTCSA148 and 49. And let's go ahead and screen share everybody in the break. I hear you, man. All right, no H at the top. Robert M. You're at the bottom. We're going to copy and paste this into random.org. It's always random 7 times. Let's go. All right, there's 1. Here comes number 2, 3, razzle dazzle 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. Dave R at the top, Ace R at the bottom. We're going to copy and paste this into our Trinity football player checklist, which is right there. And let's do the screen share out here for you. That's a little too pizzazz. All right. There we go. There's everybody's names and player names. Let's see. Ace got Mariota. Who got Winston here? Robert M. All right. Where's Cooper at? Nick K got Cooper right there. Dave R. got Kevin White. Ben J's got Abdullah. Right. Ace has got Dupree and Shaq Thompson right there. Very good. All right, guys. Any trades? Any trades here? Let me know. Spots or players, all that good stuff. Doesn't look like anybody's trading. All right, guys, here we go. Let's take that off the screen so you guys can check it out. And let's roll it. Here we go. Good luck. And let's pull some monsters. 2-boxer Trinity coming at you. Get my oh, dude, those silver packs are cool, man. I keep telling everybody, dude. I got a couple emails, man. You're not the only guy. I was telling the guys when we did those silver pack breaks, man. You can pull crazy stuff like that out of there. Ooh, here we go. Garrett Grayson. Right here. Check that out. Is it going to focus? Why does this always happen? Anyways. There's, I'll show the hits after this, guys. My focus is out. Let's see if that'll work. Yeah, I got to do a reset. Love it. Anyways, Garrett Grayson right here. That is Andrew W. coming out to you. Very nice, Andrew W. Hits the Garrett Grayson. Andrew W. Oh, yeah, man, I believe it, dude. I believe it. It's good stuff in those, man. It is good stuff in those. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see here. Nelson Aguilar right here. Redemption. Very nice. Very nice. Check that out. Let's see. That is Dave R. coming out to you. Dave R. Very nice. Coming out to you. Dave R. The Redemption. Next one here, old Jesse James. 2 of 10 right here. Go Nittany Lions, I believe it says. Nice one there. Red 2 of 10. Let's see, James. Very nice. Who's got James? Let's see here. That is Dave R. coming out to you. Dave R. gets a hit in the FBB series. Very nice, Dave R. We're just talking about him, Nick. We're just talking about him. Here we go. It's a blue pure 2. I'll show you guys the cards after the break. The focus is acting up a little bit. Here we go. 6 of 25. Amari Cooper. Very nice. Let's see who's got him in the break. That is Nick K. There you go, buddy. Nick K. Pure blue. Hand numbered 6 of 23. Nice one there for Nick. Nick gets a hit in the FBB series. And an awesome card at the same time. Alright, last one here is Justin Hardy Blue, 17 of 25. A lot of number ones in here. Nice patch on that one as well. And that is Nick K. Again, coming out to you, Nick K. Very nice. Justin Hardy. Alright guys, let's do box number 2 here. Box number 2. Nick with a couple hits. And World Series hits in that break. That box right there. Alright, here we go. Alright, first one up is Kevin Johnson. Right there, Kevin Johnson. And let's see, that is Dave R. coming out to you. Dave R, very nice, Kevin Johnson. Next one here is a Trey Waynes Go Spartans. Check that out. Trey Waynes, that is Ace R coming out to you. Ace R. Next one here is Devontae Parker. Right there. Check that out. Let's see who Parker goes to. That is Dave R coming out to you. Dave R. Alright, and a couple left here. Here we go. Devin Funchess right here. Pure blue. 22 of 25. And that is Noah H coming out to you. Very nice, Noah H. Noah H gets a hit in the FBB series. Alright, and the last one here is, nice one here, 3-color patch auto for Nick O'Leary. Right there, that is Ace-R coming out to you. Ace-R, very nice, Nick O'Leary. Alright, that'll do it, guys, for 2-box break Leaf Trinity football. And that was MTCSA 148 and 49. Let's save that for YouTube.